Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel Food Facts for you dedicated to all things delicious. Today, we're diving into the world of coconut water, a drink that's not just a trend, but a tropical delight packed with goodness. So, what exactly is coconut water? Well, it's the clear liquid found inside young green coconuts. Fun fact, it's often confused with coconut milk, but they're quite different. Coconut water is naturally refreshing and has a slightly sweet, nutty taste. Believe it or not, there was a time when this liquid treasure was considered trash water or simply discarded. In some cultures, the water inside coconuts wasn't as revered as it is today. But how did this drink become so popular? While coconut water has been a staple in tropical regions for centuries, its global popularity soared in recent years due to its health benefits and natural hydration properties. Athletes, health enthusiasts, and even celebrities swear by its rejuvenating powers. It's quite intriguing to delve into the history of coconut water. Before its current surge in popularity, this hydrating elixir wasn't always in the limelight. In fact, in certain cultures, coconut water was overshadowed by the preference for other coconut-derived products, such as the flesh and coconut milk. The focus tended to be on the versatile uses of mature coconuts. The flesh was used in various culinary dishes, providing texture and flavor, while coconut milk was a common ingredient in curries, desserts, and beverages. Meanwhile, the perception of coconut water was often relegated to being less flavorful or less versatile in its applications. Due to this preference for other coconut components, the refreshing qualities and nutritional benefits of coconut water were sometimes overlooked. It wasn't until more recent years, with a growing emphasis on health and wellness, that the spotlight shifted to this naturally hydrating drink. As people began to recognize its rich electrolyte content and natural sweetness, coconut water gained traction and found its way into the mainstream beverage scene. So, it's interesting to see how perceptions have evolved, transforming coconut water from a less valued part of the coconut to a widely celebrated, sought-after drink, prized for its natural hydration and nutritional properties. Now, let's talk about an important aspect: fake coconut drinks. As coconut water's popularity soared, the market became flooded with numerous products claiming to be coconut water. However, here's the catch. Many of these versions are packed with added sugars, artificial flavors, and sometimes even preservatives. These additives might compromise the natural goodness you're seeking. The key is to be a savvy consumer. Always scrutinize the labels. Opt for pure, natural coconut water without any additives for the authentic experience. Look for labels that explicitly state 100% coconut water or no added sugar. This ensures you're getting the real deal, the natural, refreshing taste straight from the coconut. It's also worth noting that some packaging might showcase terms like coconut-flavored beverage or coconut water drink. These variations often contain less actual coconut water and more added ingredients. Reading the fine print and ingredients list is your best defense against falling for these imposters. By being vigilant about labels and ingredients, you're not only ensuring you get the authentic taste and benefits of coconut water, but also making a healthier choice by avoiding unnecessary additives and sugars. A question we often receive is, how does coconut water manage to stay fresh? It's fascinating. The natural packaging of the coconut itself is truly remarkable. The green husk, that tough outer layer you see on coconuts, acts as an extraordinary protective barrier. It shields the water inside, keeping it fresh and sterile. This natural defense mechanism ensures that the water remains pristine until the coconut is opened. Once the coconut is cracked open, proper handling becomes essential to maintain its freshness. Packaging plays a crucial role here. When extracted, coconut water is often packaged in containers that preserve its freshness and nutrients. From airtight bottles to Tetra Paks, these ensure that the water retains its natural goodness. And let's not forget refrigeration. Just like many perishable beverages, refrigeration significantly extends the shelf life of coconut water. Keeping it chilled after opening helps maintain its freshness and prevents any potential spoilage. So, it's a combination of nature's own protective layer, careful packaging, and refrigeration that keeps coconut water refreshingly delicious from the coconut to your glass. And there you have it, the wonderful world of coconut water. From being considered trash water to becoming a globally sought-after hydrating elixir, it's truly remarkable how perceptions have changed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep exploring the world of food with us. Bye.